Hi there, it's Tim with Far North Magic. Gonna have to go back to opening school. Learn how to use scissors to cut plastic. It's gonna be a tough course. There's danger everywhere. Ay, ay, ay. Better be something good in this one with all this struggle. Oh, we finally hit a bauble. It's a good one. And Manamorphose. Those guys are pairs. It seems most of the time. Ooh, and a Basalt Monolith. There's for knowledge. We got Ad Nauseum. That was the first rare. Another rare. Grand Architect. Eek. Oh, we got Stoneforge. That's a real nice. Seem to be on a Stoneforge heater overall. And a Worm Coil. Not bad. Yeah, magnet for Stoneforges. I have to decide if I keep them this time, but it's pretty good toppers. So, thanks again for stopping by and watching. If you could like, share, subscribe, comment, that'd be awesome, and appreciated. Thanks again, and hopefully you have a good rest of your day, and take care. See you next time. Bye.